It is under the umbrella of Yaobang Environment, Shanxi Yaobang Equipment Engineering Co., Limited, independently designed and manufactures sanitation vehicles. This product has strong performance, high-end configuration. The working ability is industry-leading. This vehicle is modified from SAIC's pure electric chassis. The water tank has a capacity of 2.5 cubic meters. The continuous operation time is more than 70 minutes. It can be controlled from the driver's cabin. Convenient to operate. The whole vehicle is compact and unique, comfortable and safe to drive and ride, suitable for urban sidewalks, maintenance and cleaning operations for pedestrian streets and other road surfaces. It is capable of cleaning road surfaces, curb, guardrails, and road markings. Functions such as urban proassius, fruit peel box billboards. It also has the function of spraying pesticides in gardens. After driving to the operation section, shift the handbrake to gear. Turn on the touchscreen control system switch. Click the motor start button on the screen. You can operate the front spray and point spray devices on the screen. It can achieve the adjustment of various angles for both front spraying and point spraying. Vehicle operation. Then you need to shift into D gear and release the handbrake. Enter the driving operation mode. Shift into neutral and use the handbrake. Pull up the rear rolling door. Connect the handheld high-pressure cleaning gun to the rear water pipe. Turn on the rear switch. Start the water pump motor. Pull the spray gun wrench. You can then enter the spray gun operation mode. Turn on the rear switch. Start the water pump motor. Turn on the switch of the cleaning trolley. You can then enter the auxiliary cleaning operation state.